The third step is to install the Active Directory from the same place. Go to Server Manager, then click on Roles. You should see the roles that have been installed. Then click on Roles, Add Roles. Wizard will be started. Then next, click on Active Directory, Domain Services. Yes, this role that we want to install it, to add it to the server. Next, confirm, and this is the starting of the installation process for the Active Directory Domain Services role. It will take some time. It will ask me for some set during the installation. We should wait. Just relax and wait. Okay, configuring, collecting installation results. We got to the end. Now the Active Directory Domain Services has been installed successfully. We have now 2 domains, but it gives me alert saying that close the wizard and launch Active Directory Domain Services installation wizard by using the dcpromo.exe. So I have to start promoting our server into domain controller by using the dcpromo program. Actually, dcpromo program is a tool to promote our server into domain controller, which is the third step. So just click right and write here dcpromo. Okay, this is the dcpromo. Now another wizard will be started. Next. Now this option or this screen asked me to choose the deployment configuration. I have 2 options, either creating a new forest, either adding a domain to a new forest, or creating a domain in a new forest, because I don't have an existing forest, so I will create a new domain in a new forest. Of course, you know the difference between domain and forest. Forest is to include domains, and domains is LAN. One domain means one LAN. So if I have 2 domains or 3 domains, these 3 domains will form a forest. Now I'm installing the domain for the first time, so I don't have any forest. So I will select create a new domain in a new forest. Next. Now it asked me for the domain name. If this domain name will publicly available on the internet, the name should be unique. Otherwise, you can't put any name. For example, I will put edutech.com. This is my domain name. Okay, it will check whether this domain name is already in use or not used. Actually, it gives me that is available because we are offline now. We don't have any access to the internet. We are offline. Okay, verifying net BIOS name. Now, okay. Now in this screen, forest functional level for backward compatibility. So I will keep Windows 2002 as a my option. Okay, native. Next, examine the DNS configuration. Remember, we have installed the DNS before the step of creating the before the step of adding Active Directory domain services. Yes, I will assign a static IP address. Good. Next. No. Yes. Sorry, I select no. You should select yes. Examine the DNS configuration. You want to continue? Yes, I do want to continue. Now the database directory, I will keep all these options as a default. Next, the password for the administrator, directory services restore mode administrator. So I will put the same password. Next. Okay. The result is configuring Active Directory domain services. This process can take from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the environment and the option that you have selected. It should not take several hours. Actually, it will take a few minutes to finish. Now we are in the step of installing Group Policy Management Console. Okay, creating the system volume. See, examining, configuring local computer to host Active Directory domain services. Okay, we almost finished. Creating directory partition. We almost finished. This, as you can see, this is a countdown until we finish all the objects. We finish the objects. Yes. Good. We are running. The Active Directory, as you know, is a database for maintaining information about the resources, network resources. We already identified the Active Directory, so it will prepare the file systems for this Active Directory. Now we finished the installation of the Active Directory. Now click Finish. Now it asked me to restart